My name is Jose Luis Douceda and I'm the CEO at Cell2. I was introduced to emergency lighting back in 2004 and soon I could see that there was a gap in the market for us to do something with and grow. The company was formed in 2005 in Spain.
Cell2 are providers of high quality, high performance visual and audible warning solutions.
We work together as one team, ensuring that the customer is top priority and they are getting what they need.
We are able to bespokely design and 3D print supplementary products like gaskets, housings, brackets, just to enable the installers to be able to install these products more easily than they might have been able to with just the product on its own.
We ensure that we have high availability of products, making sure that we can dispatch within 24 hours or the same day if possible.
Cell2's here to offer not just a product, we're here to offer a service, and that service is after sales support, it's technical support, it's additive manufacturing capabilities. If you've got a problem, we will get a solution for you.
Some of our customers go back to almost 17 years of working with Cell2. With a good structure and good people, we made these products accessible to customers all over Europe.
We're now the channel partner in Europe for Julo products. They provide very good quality, innovative products and offer a 5-year warranty.
We've got over 20 staff members now over the 2 locations and various different countries across Europe, but we've still kept that identity of being a real sort of family company.
It is down to the people at Cell2 that we are where we are today. The future for Cell2 is very bright. We're focusing on innovation, on service, on forming strong, solid partnerships that we can take into the future.